Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. And this is very different from what I usually do because I am generally into like skincare that's available in the market and a lot of makeup. But today I thought I'll discuss with you one ingredient that is like very important in each and every household, like Indian household especially. So I thought I'll make video around rose water. You'll find rose water in every Indian kitchen because we definitely use it in our food. It is very important in our skincare routine. If a woman in Indian household doesn't do anything in skincare routine, but they definitely use rose water in their skincare routine. So I thought I'll talk about rose water and tell you a lot of benefits and give you some amazing recommendations and a DIY in this video. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So we are going to start with the rose water that's already available in the market, and I am going to recommend some of my favorites. So we all know there's Dabur one that's available and we all use Dabur one, but I would never suggest that because it's never a pure form of rose water. And if we want to get rose water ka pura benefits, we definitely want to make sure that our rose water is as pure as possible. So my two recommendations that I have here, I've been using them for a long time. One is this Kama Ayurveda rose water, which is 50 ml for 475 rupees. The second recommendation I have is Khadi Essential Rose Water. It's wild rose water and it retails 100 ml for 299 rupees. So I have given you both the options. You can choose whichever you want. But what I do is I generally make my own rose water. So I'm going to show you a DIY here that how I make my rose water. So let's get to my kitchen. And here I am in my kitchen. First thing I am going to do is wash my roses because I don't want any pesticides or insecticides that on my roses to come into my water. So I'm going to clean my roses nicely under running water, and then I'm going to take a clean utensil, add some water in it and put it on gas. So we have to boil it, and now just one by one you can add rose petals into your water and then just cover it. It's going to boil and it's pretty much going to give you rose water in 7 to 10 minutes. And after my roses have boiled, I'm going to switch off my gas and I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes so that my water has cooled down, and then I'm just going to strain the petals out of it and my rose water is ready. You can keep that rose water in your refrigerator for around 10 to 12 days easily and use it every day. Now if you use a cooled rose water, that's definitely going to be an added benefit, but otherwise you can use a normal room temperature ones as well. Well, now when we have recommendations out of our way, let's talk about uses, how we can use rose water in multiple ways. So here are the uses. First one, that we all know that rose water can be used as an excellent toner. It is very good to maintain the pH balance of your skin and also helps in deep hydration. So you can definitely use rose water as a toner. The second use is going to be using rose water as a hair perfume. Now this is not something that you might have heard usually, but when your hair starts having that weird odor after a few days of wash, you can definitely use rose water. You can spray it all over your hair, so your hair are going to smell great. Coming to the third use, you can definitely use rose water in your bathing water. You can mix it with your bathing water, and if you are somebody who suffers with body odor, you can definitely use this as a colon. You can mix it with the water and just take bath with it, and it's going to help you smell fresh and stay refreshed throughout the day. Fourth use, we are going to be mixing rose water with our drinking water, and it is going to make sure your water nicely is absorbed by your body and you're more hydrated than just plain water. And coming to the last benefit that we are going to be talking about is emulsifying your face mask. When you have any face mask on, you can actually use rose water to either wash it off completely, or you can also use rose water to just emulsify it before washing your face. So this is going to give you that added advantage, and your face mask is going to work a little better. It is also great to mix in your any everyday face mask that you're going to use, whether you have bought it from the market and you're applying it or you're doing a DIY. In each case, you can use rose water in them and it's going to give you that pinky beautiful glow. And now last thing we are going to be talking about in this video is the benefits of rose water. If you are not already aware of it, let me tell you which one. The first benefit is it definitely soothes an irritated skin. If your skin is irritated, if you have redness problem on your face or on your body, you can just spray rose water wherever you want. It's such an ingredient that does not have any kind of side effects, so you can spray it all over your body, anywhere, on your face, eyes, never mind. If for all of that, if you have any kind of irritation problem, you can definitely use rose water. The second benefit, when you're using it as a toner, it's going to maintain the pH level of your skin. So, an excellent toner. Third benefit, it is going to refresh your skin. Again, whether you're using it in bathing water or you're using it as a face mask or you're using it anywhere, it's going to refresh your skin. And also, it's going to make sure you are hydrated and well enough. And if you are a male or a female and you're going to shave your face or your body, it is also an excellent ingredient to spray over if there is any kind of cut on your body. So that was all about rose water. If you want me to make a follow-up video, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below. Again, I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!